Experiencing vibrations or shaking in your car when you press the brake pedal while descending a steep slope can be concerning and potentially unsafe. This issue may stem from various factors related to the braking system, suspension, or other mechanical components. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the possible reasons behind this problem and provide solutions to help you address the issue. Possible causes: worn brake components, brake pads. Over time, brake pads wear down, leading to reduced braking efficiency and potential vibrations. Inspect the brake pads for thickness and replace them if necessary. Brake rotors. Warped or unevenly worn brake rotors can cause vibrations during braking. Resurface or replace the rotors if they exceed the manufacturer's specifications. 3. Uneven tire wear. Irregular tire wear can contribute to vibrations. Check the tires for proper inflation, alignment issues, and tread wear. Rotate or replace tires as needed. Suspension issues. Worn suspension components. Damaged or worn-out shocks, struts, or bushings can result in vibrations. Inspect and replace any compromised suspension components. Wheel balancing. Unbalanced wheels can cause vibrations during braking. Ensure that your wheels are properly balanced and balance them if necessary. Brake caliper issues. Sticking or unevenly applying brake calipers can lead to vibrations. Check for proper caliper operation. Lubricate as needed and replace if necessary. Brake fluid contamination. Contaminated brake fluid may reduce the effectiveness of the braking system and contribute to vibrations. Flush the brake fluid and replace it with fresh, manufacturer-recommended fluid. Engine mounts. Worn or damaged engine mounts can allow excessive engine movement, causing vibrations. Inspect and replace any faulty engine mounts. Solutions. Regular maintenance. Schedule regular brake inspections and maintenance to ensure the braking system is in optimal condition. Brake system inspection. Conduct a thorough inspection of the entire brake system, including pads, rotors, calipers, and brake lines. Tire maintenance. Maintain proper tire pressure, check for even wear, and rotate tires regularly to prevent uneven tread patterns. Suspension check. Inspect the suspension components for wear and tear and replace any damaged parts. Wheel balancing. Ensure wheels are balanced properly and address any imbalances promptly. Professional diagnosis. If the issue persists, consult a qualified mechanic for a comprehensive diagnosis. Professional technicians can use diagnostic tools to identify underlying problems accurately. Timely repairs. Address any identified issues promptly to prevent further damage and ensure the safety of your vehicle. Identifying and resolving the source of vibrations or shaking when braking on a steep slope is crucial for maintaining the safety and performance of your vehicle. By following this comprehensive guide and addressing the potential causes, you can enjoy a smoother and safer driving experience. If in doubt, seek the assistance of a qualified mechanic for a thorough inspection and professional advice. Join our community of automotive enthusiasts. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share the love for all things cars. Let's rev up together.